Okay, so now that that's done, I went ahead and I already tested the second one as well. So even with the first one, I'll do the same thing for this one. Click File, click Save. Where do you want to save it? Desktop. See, this one here is called New, so I'll call this one here Old since this is the second one. Okay. Exit out of there. So now we have Old, we have New. So first, to see the results of the old one, so basically you have 4 tests. You have a read and a write, so it's almost like having 8 different tests. So with the read, these here are the things we're concerned about, right here in the middle. Like the 544, let's go ahead round that down to about 500. This here about up to 400, so 5 and 4. We go to New, the one I just installed. They claim it's 7 times faster. New. About 3,500. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. So that's almost spot on for read. And, you know, write, look at that. That's almost 3,000. So overall, definitely worth it to buy one of those, especially if your current computer has a normal hard disk drive, like an old school. If you don't have an SSD, then don't upgrade to a normal SSD if you can upgrade to an M.2 SSD. So,